What is going on, guys? Justin here, and today I'm going to be getting into the Hidden Hills OVO, CLB, whatever you want to call it, unboxing from Drake related. It finally came in today. Took about a month to come in, but I'm going to set the camera up and we're going to get into this unboxing. I am super excited. I have not seen any photos or videos of anyone with it in hand yet. So without further ado, guys, let's get straight to this unboxing. So here it is, the package from Drake related. I bought it, I want to say, around a month ago when they had the big site restock, when they restocked the CLB hoodies, the t-shirts, and they even included the white hoodie and the navy. And what a lot of people didn't see is that they had Hidden Hills hoodies. Drake has actually been seen wearing it. I'm gonna post the photo up right there. And it was under the bedroom section, under a tab called El Chico Studio, something like that. And I managed to get it, the large black hoodie. But like I was saying, I haven't seen any photos or videos of what it looks like in person, so I'm super excited. I actually hope the hoodie is in here. I hope they didn't send me some CLB hoodie. But I paid 120 USD for it, which was quite a bit more than the CLB hoodie, and $15 shipping. And I also had to pay duties on it. I'm not too sure why, because when I was checking out it said it was covered, but I still had to pay $30 in duties. So the hoodie costed me like $200. Hopefully it's worth it, guys. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. This is gonna be my first genuine reaction, so let's get straight into it. You already know we just gotta rip it open. Yo, the quality is absolutely insane. Holy shit, can you guys see this? I'm having a hard time getting this bag off. Just through the plastic alone, take a look at the stitching and the huge patch. So here it is in a size large. We just got a plastic bag like this. Whoa, this is not even close to a CLB hoodie. Wow. I'm impressed. I am impressed. Take a look at this, guys. And even on the bottom, Hidden Hills, California. So first things first, we got the big double H Hidden Hills graphic on the front. Again, quality is insane, and the Hidden Hills embroidered at the bottom, Hidden Hills, California. And on the back fully embroidered. Isn't everyone hiding something? Take a look at the quality on that. I did not even know it was embroidered back there. Crazy. And the actual weight of the hoodie is just so good. This is a size large. It looks a little bit small. Let's see what the tag looks like. Okay. LA Apparel blank. Honestly, can't go wrong with the LA Apparel blank, but I kind of recognize the hoodie feel from something. I also do like how there's no drawstrings, but check it out, guys. Hidden Hills hoodie. I am honestly super excited, and it looks way better in person. 1,000 times better in person. So yeah, is it worth $120? For sure. I don't know what the resale prices are looking like. I want to say probably double retail, because they sold out instantly. And I have no idea if they're going to be restocking it, if this is going to become like a brand for Drake, who knows. But let's just say the hoodie is fire, and I'm super glad I picked it up. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in today's unboxing. We got lots more content coming up in the future, so stay subscribed, drop a like down below, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.